I'm attorney Koehler, and I focus my practice on helping people who are facing DUI charges. I help people who have never been in trouble before with the law. They're good people with families, careers, and a normal life. And I don't know the exact number of cases that I have taken on, but in the dozens of DUI defense cases. I focus on DUI defense for several reasons. First, people arrested for DUI come from all walks of life, all ages, all professions. They're often not your stereotypical hardened criminals. It's rewarding to me to be able to help those people through a frightening and complicated situation. Second, I like DUI cases because, similar to other areas of criminal law, DUI cases involve constitutional issues such as unreasonable searches and seizures, warrants, and Miranda warnings. But DUI law is more complex than other areas of criminal law. It also involves the science of breath and blood alcohol tests, how drugs interact with the human body, and driver's license issues. So it takes a lot of specialized skill and knowledge to defend DUI cases. Well, when people are charged with a DUI, a lot of them are really afraid that their life is ruined because they've been charged. And sometimes they just want to get it over with quickly. They feel like they don't have a chance to fight it, and they want to quickly throw in the towel and plead guilty. The thing is, there's a huge difference between being arrested with and charged with a DUI and being convicted. DUI cases are difficult to defend, but my job is to help people get the best results in spite of facing difficult circumstances. Even where I'm not able to get a DUI charge completely dismissed, most of the time I can get charges or fines and sentences reduced greatly from what my clients would face if they did not hire me and simply pled guilty. Well, I can't tell you how many people have come to me with second DUI arrest and they tell me, I pled guilty to the first charge because I thought it wasn't that big of a deal and I just wanted to get it over with. And then now they're facing the same thing again. The problem is, second DUI, the fines are much larger, the jail time is much higher, you've got a larger driver's license suspension period. So any DUI arrest, especially your first one, is very serious and it's definitely worth it to fight. Well, first of all, as I said, DUI charges are very serious, and you definitely want an attorney who knows what they're doing, knows the DUI laws, and how to deal with the courts. Some people can get a public defender. A lot of people can't because there's minimum income requirements that you have to meet. You definitely don't want to defend yourself in any case. Even if you can get a public defender, they are very, very busy. They have large caseloads, and they just usually don't have the time to devote personal attention to your case. So you're unlikely to get the kind of personal attention from a public defender as you will if you hire a private attorney. Also, a public defender is not going to be able to represent you in administrative matters like your driver's license hearings, and sometimes those are the most important parts of DUI cases for people that are trying to keep their driver's license. If I were faced with a DUI, I would hire myself, and the reason is that when you hire me, you're going to have complete interaction with me and me alone, other than maybe a few support staff people. I'm handling your case. I'm reading any kinds of legal briefs, any kinds of research, any sort of other issues with your file, and talking to prosecutors. It's all done by me. And I know in and out every aspect of your case so that when we're in court talking to the judge or when I'm talking to a prosecutor, I don't have to guess or be in the dark about what the exact facts and circumstances of your case are. And that's a huge advantage to me in talking to the prosecutors when it comes to plea deals and when it comes to assessing the likelihood of success at trial and when it comes to sentencing and arguing on your side in front of a judge. You can call anytime 24/7 and you'll be treated with the utmost respect and care possible. If you call during business hours, my secretaries are trained to answer your call quickly and get you over to me, or take a message if I'm not available. And I'll always return your call within the day. If you call after hours, your call will be forwarded to my cell phone directly, and I will answer. If I'm not available, you can leave a message and I'll get back to you that day. It's very important to me that my clients can contact me directly and always be able to get a hold of me if they need to. Anything that you tell me or any attorney is kept 100% confidential. I don't tell anyone, not even my wife or my dog, anything about any of the cases that I have. So you can talk to me in complete confidence, and never fear having anything leak out to anybody else. I can't make any guarantees about what will happen in a particular case. But that being said, what my job is to is not only to attempt to get charges dismissed or to win at trial, but also in cases where there's an overwhelming amount of evidence facing a defendant, to come out with a better situation for them, to improve the situation that they're in by getting lower fines, less jail time, more reasonable and compassionate sentences, maybe probation instead of jail, things like that, getting charges reduced to different lower charges that aren't as serious. Those sorts of things I'm able to do in almost any case. If you want to get more information about DUI charges and laws before you call, I've got a series of informative articles that you can access by clicking on the DUI Information tab. If you're ready to contact me, the most direct way to call me is at 801-441-2013. My office is open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can call anytime, 24/7. If you call outside of normal business hours, your call will be forwarded directly to my cell phone. If you'd rather email me, you can use the Contact Us form on my website, or you can email me at court@saltlakeduidefense.com. Our offices are located in South Jordan on Riverfront Parkway, which is approximately 900 West. The best way to get there is to come down 106 South and then turn right on Riverfront Parkway, and you'll see an office park with blue and tan office buildings, and you want to find the one that's number 10808. You walk in, the elevator bank is right there. You go up to the 3rd floor, and there will be a secretary, and she'll show you right back to my office. I look forward to helping you get through this tough situation.